Hi everyone, this is Kyle Leke. In this tutorial we'll be talking about how to make use of masking. Now masking or mask have different types. We have the basic mask and we also have the clip mask. I'll be showing you what the both do and how you can actually achieve them. So if you like this, if you've been enjoying our tutorials and you want to actually get more videos like this, I'd like you to hit the subscribe button and also click the bell beside the subscribe button so that you can get notified whenever videos like this are being posted on a weekly basis. Videos like this are being posted at least thrice or 4 times in a week. So if you want to get notified of whenever a video is posted, just hit the subscribe button and click the bell beside it. Now what we need to do to actually achieve the mask feature is very simple. First of all, let me explain what masking itself means. Masking is, for instance, if you have a particular feature of, if there's a particular part of your drawing or your design that you want to extract without actually erasing or deleting the entire photo or the entire picture, so you can actually mask out, you can actually extract that particular part, then you mask the other parts, which means you cover the other parts without deleting them. Then the actual part you want to work on, you extract it. Okay, so now, but for clip masking is a way of you embedding a particular picture or a particular layer into another layer without you deleting or subtracting either of the layers. So this might be too hard for you to take in at first, but in this tutorial we'll trash out all that. Now the first thing we want to do is actually how to create a mask. Now if you want to work with this image, just check the description below. You will see where you can actually download this image for your own practicing, so that you can actually have a feel of what is being demonstrated in this video. Now to actually achieve this for masking, let's first duplicate this layer, which is our custom. We always like to duplicate layers so that in case if any mistake is being made, you can always have the original image or picture to continue our work with. And I also advise that you adopt this method whenever you're doing your designs. Always have a backup for every design you do, and as you work, always make sure that you click save, just in case if anything goes up funny along the way. So now to get this to be masked, now let's assume that I want to extract this air and I don't want to delete this whole picture. I just want the air alone to be extracted. I want to work with it. What I need to do is I use my selection tool. You can use any of the selection tool you want, either the pen tool or the mark tool or the lasso tool, or you can use your magic wand or your quick selection tool. But to make things faster, I use my magic wand. So I just click inside the air, and you can see it selects it. The moment it selects like this, next thing is you come down below this your layer section. You can see this one here. If you put your cursor on it to show you add layer mask, the moment you click, so you click it, automatically you see that it extracts the air alone and leave the actual picture hidden. So it's a way of you hiding the entire picture and making only a particular part of the picture visible. Now let me show you how you can actually work with this. Now let me create a layer. I'm going to use this to also explain the clip masking for you. Now let me create a new layer. Now let's assume that I want to turn this air to yellow. There are different ways I can do this. I can do it in several ways that I like, but I could actually use a clip mask to turn this to yellow. So I click a new layer, then I make sure that my foreground here is showing color yellow. Then I can click my paint bucket here, then I click inside this layer. So now you can see that this top layer has been painted with yellow. So what do I need to do? What I need to do is, now with this layer above this mask layer, I'll press my alt key down, then you place your cursor just in between these two layers. Then you can see that the cursor changes the sign. Then you click, you can see that automatically it has embedded this yellow layer into this air. So this air is now taking the color of this layer, but none of these layers are being deleted or extracted or subtracted. Sorry, all of them, I can still make use of all of them. I can still access them. They are just hidden inside this air. Now I can also make this, if I want to now make this air to now show in this picture, what I need to do is just to drag this air, this mask layer, this area that's been marked, I just drag it and put it close to this yellow layer, and you can see automatically the air has been converted to color yellow. So this is how you can actually make use of masking tool, and you can also make use of clip masking. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, I'd like you to hit the subscribe button and also share with your friends, and also endeavor to come back and check and get notifications for our other